Hi again, this is Doug Williams with Viva Las Vegas Autos, and today I bring a pretty special car. Sorry about my voice, it's kind of going out on me, but I'll try to get through this. This is a 1983 Mercedes Benz 380 SEL. This is the W126 body line, and what a gem here. This is a 94,000 mile one owner car that was impeccably cared for, owned by a Mercedes service tech, both in Sacramento and then he later moved up to Lake Incline Village in Lake Tahoe, and serviced and maintained by him. This was his wife's driver, and I'll tell you, the car is absolutely incredible. Paint, finish, original, beautiful. Wheels in great shape, brand new tires. There's only about 1,000 miles on those tires. I put 500 of them myself, and the overall condition front to back on this car is absolutely stunning. The thing about these is you see a lot of 560 SELs, but not, and even the 420 SELs, but rare do you see the 380 SEL, and especially not in this kind of condition. That front end on this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Headlights, beautiful. Bumper, gorgeous. The underside of this car, when you look at the pictures on the internet of the underside of this car, it's like new. Absolutely beautiful. No rust anywhere. Not even a speck anywhere. Not on the body, not on the undercarriage. Wheels and tires, great shape. See that? It had a gold trim package put on it. It was new. Goes all the way down the car. And windshield glass is original. All the glass around the car is original. The wind deflector was in the trunk when I got it, so I put it back on. It's in beautiful condition. No checking on the paint or anything like that. This is the only, what I'd call, surface scratch. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's right there. Very light, probably be buffed out. But overall condition on this thing is absolutely impeccable. The spare's never even been out of the car. Wheels are all in great shape. Rubber, everything garage kept, of course. See the gold package on where it says 380 in the back there. And the gold emblem. The Mercedes emblem for the right side is actually in the trunk. Again, the bumpers are incredible. Just absolutely beautiful car. And the interior, to match the interior on this thing, is stunning. Absolutely stunning condition. Runs perfect, literally. Like I said, was maintained by the lead Mercedes tech. His name was Kaj, K-A-J Ho. And his business card for the Incline Village Mercedes service location was in the car still, and obviously his name on the owner's manual and title and things like that too. So what an absolute beauty. Wow. The 380 SEL is the long wheelbase, which gives you this great big back seat. This car's loaded. These things were $48,000 brand new, roughly, plus whatever options you got. And interesting enough, you see a lot of SEs, 380 SEs. Seem to be, and I looked up the production on that, and there was 58,000 of those built over the years that they were built. There's only 27,000 of the 380 SELs built. This back seat, watch this, it's kind of cool. Oh, maybe had the key on. To have that back seat go forward and back. Probably so, but we'll do that right now so you can see that, because it works. It's kind of cool. Just have to see that cool stuff. Start the car up. There we go. There you go. See how the seat's moving forward? Kind of a semi-recline. Really cool. All the power features on the car work. Engine sounds excellent. covered under warranty and things like that, but I'm sure it's been changed. But the interior on this thing is impeccable. The leather is stunning. It's actually got the leather, not the MB text. The leather is in incredible condition. That's about the only wear that you see on the leather. Carpets are beautiful. A lot of times on the Mercedes carpets underneath, the foam is like garbage and it starts to break up, and that's not even happening on these at all. Door panels is excellent. There's no crack in the wood, although it seems to be warping a little bit in a few different areas. 94,000 miles with a perfect dash, no cracks whatsoever on it. Excellent headliner. Back seat has no rips or tears. All the original stuff is in the back there with the kit for the first aid. Of course, the sunroof works. Everything works on this car. Air blows ice cold. Well, as ice cold as Mercedes blew. And today it's 114 degrees out here, so. But I'll show you that it works, so let's go for a spin here. So let's go for a spin. Yes, I'm holding this in one hand and doing everything else in the other, but I'll show you the air conditioning. Mind you, it's 114 degrees out there. We're sitting still. Temperature's going down. It's going to go down, but here it goes. A little gas and it's going down just fine. So, hold that a little bit further, but why? This thing even has the original phone in it. And, there's the 94,000 miles on it. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'll stick on my seatbelt now that you're watching this direction. I kind of do these videos by myself, but let's take this thing for a spin. It performs excellent. I bought this up in Incline Village and drove it all the way back from Reno one night and was amazed at the gas mileage. Stunning gas mileage on this thing. 22 miles per gallon. It's absolutely incredible for a car this size. Beautiful Lake Las Vegas out here where I live. Fun place to be. Kind of a resort little village. Temperatures always maintain on this thing. Like I said, the air blows ice cold. It's cold enough. Still 65 right now. Obviously, I didn't check to see if the phone works, so I don't care. It's just cool, kind of cool that it's nostalgia in there. A little circle here. Surprisingly, this thing has great power. It's not a race car by any means. Don't think it was ever meant to be. But it can get up and go with that 3.8 liter V8 in it. Runs out fantastic. And she's as beautiful as she looks and completely functional. I haven't found anything that doesn't work. Super nice. So, this is an auction on Bring a Trailer. I love Bring a Trailer. I love all the comments that you guys like to make and observations. Always appreciate any knowledge that you all have. It's usually more than I have. And that's okay. But I think this would probably be one of the nicest 380 SLs out there to be found. So if you have any questions, call me at 702-353-7500. Be happy to talk to you about the car and the history that I know. And that, see ya. Have a great day.